Have you ever spent the entire day trying to study? You open your laptop, arrange your desk, maybe even make a to do list, but somehow the one thing you were supposed to finish, you don't even touch it. You might complete small tasks like replying to messages, revising something easy, even cleaning your room, but that major assignment, that boring chapter, that one subject that you hate, it just sits there all day. And even though you didn't do it, you still feel tired, you're exhausted, but you didn't accomplish anything. That's not laziness, that's just procrastination, and it's a trap. Now imagine doing the exact opposite. Imagine finishing your hardest task first thing in the morning while everyone else is just waking up, scrolling Instagram, tapping snoozing button or avoiding their goals. You have already done the one thing that propels you forward towards your goal. That's what Eat That Frog is about. It's not a trick, it's not a productivity hack, it's a principle, and it might be the single most powerful shift in how you use your time. The name comes from Mark Twain, who once said, if your job is to eat a frog, do it first thing in the morning. And if your job is to eat two frogs, eat the biggest one first. The frog is biggest, hardest, or most uncomfortable task of your day. The one thing that you're most likely to avoid, and also the thing that will create the most progress in your life if you just do it. Most people never realize this. Success isn't just about doing more, it's about doing what matters and doing it first. You don't need to study 10 hours a day, you need one bold hour of doing the thing you have been avoiding. And when you do that, you win back your time. You stop living in guilt. You stop thinking about your tasks all day because it's already done. And that gives you something most students never have, peace. Not the fake peace that comes from escaping your phone, but the real peace, the kind that comes from keeping a promise to yourself. That's what Eat That Frog gives you. It's not flashy, it won't go viral on TikTok, but it works. But if you follow it every day, even just for 1 month, you'll study deeper, feel sharper, and finally get ahead of person you were yesterday. So the choice is simple. Keep waiting for motivation, keep hiding behind the low effort tasks, or eat the frog and take back control of your time, your mind, and your future. And here's the key insight: the longer you avoid the frog, the more it eats you. Not literally, but mentally. It drains your focus and your mood and your self respect because deep down you know you're hiding. This rule works so well for students because we live in a world full of distractions and fake productivity. We spend hours organizing the notes, watching study with me videos, or building beautiful Notion dashboards. But still, we avoid studying the actual chapter we fear. Eat That Frog cuts through all of that. Here's how it works in real life. Every night before you sleep, write down one single task for the next day. Just one. Not a list of 10, just one. Ask yourself, if I only got the one thing done tomorrow, what would make me feel proud? The most proud. That's your frog. It could be reading one difficult chapter, writing the intro of essay, solving 10 past year maths question, anything that feels uncomfortable, important, and avoided. Then the next day before you open YouTube, check your phone or reply to messages. You do that one thing. Sit down, block everything, set a 25-minute timer if you need, and just start. Don't wait for motivation. Motivation is just a lie. What you need is a movement. Just starting the task creates clarity, and starting is always harder than continuing. Once you eat the frog, you'll feel something strange: relief, clarity, energy. The rest of your day feels lighter. Your mind is sharper. You respect yourself more. That's the power of this habit.